Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm here now with my new lesson of types of noun, and new type is collective noun. In my previous lesson on page 10, I taught you concrete and abstract noun, then countable and uncountable noun. And now in exercise E, we are going to do collective noun. This is a next type of noun. Actually, these types are very important. Noun is very important with its types because your objective part of the paper consists of such grammar exercises. So please pay attention. Before doing exercise E, which is complete the following sentences by using the following collective nouns. And there are few words, few nouns are there: flock, herd, swarm, bouquet, gang. And I say that they are collective noun. But how I say, before that I give you definition of collective noun. See the definition of collective noun. The word collective noun is related to collection, and collection means group. This noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals, birds, or things. You can see nouns here: class, herd, flock, team, bunch. These are single words. Class is a single word, herd single word, flock single word, team single word, and bunch single word. You cannot see S or ES before them. But when we apply this word in our conversation or in our writing, we mean group of something. For example, class is a single word, but it means group of students. Herd, it's a single word, but it means group of cows or sheep. Flock is a single word, but it means group of birds. Team is a single word, but it means group of players or horses. Bunch is a single word, but it means group of geese. So means that single words, when having sense of group, meaning of group, then they are called collective nouns. Okay, now see the exercise to fill with these collective nouns: flock, group of birds; herd, group of sheep and cows; swarm, group of insects like locusts and grasshopper, etc.; bouquet, group of flowers; gang, group of thieves or criminals. Now put these words into these blanks. It's easy for you, but still I here do for you people. A dash of locusts attack the crops. A swarm of locusts attack the crops. Number 2, a dash of birds is always beautiful sight. A flock comes here for the group of birds. So a flock of birds is always a beautiful sight. Number 3, they welcome the chief guest with a dash of flowers. Group of flowers is represented with this word bouquet. So that will be, they welcome the chief guest with a bouquet of flowers. Number 4, as we drove down the countryside, we saw a dash of sheep grazing in the fields. So a group of sheep is represented with this word herd. So that will be, as we drove down the countryside, we saw a herd of sheep grazing in the fields. Number 5, the dash of thieves has been arrested by the police. The group of thieves or criminals, etc., they are represented by noun gang. This is collective noun gang. So that will be, the gang of thieves has been arrested by the police. So that is your exercise related to collective noun. Here we end the types of nouns. In my next lesson, inshallah, I'll teach you next exercise of page number 11. Page number 11, exercise F, we already have done in our previous lesson when I was teaching you exercise of page number 9. I taught you and I explained that exercise. Now, next topic is noun phrase, but inshallah I'll teach and explain that exercise in my next lesson. So you go through the practice of these types of nouns to make you sure that you have understood properly. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.